Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Maxima Max Pro X5 smartwatch. On the front of the package, we have an image of the smartwatch. On the bottom, we have the Max Pro X5 branding. On the top, we have some information regarding the display of the smartwatch, which is 1.7 inches in size and HD in resolution. On the left hand side, we can see that it is powered by an advanced Realtek chipset, and on the right hand side, we have a social media hashtag which says Move Smart. On the back of the box, we see the different color options that this smartwatch is available in. It has the blue variant, a gold and maroon variant, a gray variant, and the black variant that we have with us today. On top, we have some of the manufacturing and importing information along with the model number, which is X5N1PBS65360. On the right hand side, we can see the BIS certification symbol. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we have a similar image of the smartwatch up front. On the right hand side, we have some of the key features, which include a 1.7-inch big HD display, which we have already gone through, incoming call notifications, heart rate sensor, sleep monitoring, and multi-sport mode. The left hand side has some more features, which include social media notifications, SpO2 monitoring, pedometer, calorie counter, and find phone function. On the back, we have some of the more technical specifications. We have already gone through the screen size and the chipset. The Bluetooth version used on the smartwatch is Bluetooth 5.0. The display brightness is 450 nits at its peak. The heart rate sensor is the LC11HR sensor. The battery life is up to 50 days. The case is made from a high density ABS with metal coating. Camera and music can be controlled via the smartwatch. It also has sleep monitoring, intelligent AI algorithm. The system requirements for the application are Android 5.0 or above, or iOS 9.0 and above. The social media notifications include notifications from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Underneath that, we have a QR code which will lead you to the download page of the app that comes with this watch. That's about it. So let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material. First up is this card, which is a quick start guide, and this briefly explains how to get started with using the watch. It has a QR code that leads you to the download page for the app that comes with the smartwatch. On the back, we have some warranty information, and you can use this barcode to register for the warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have a more thorough user manual. So this will give you a more in-depth understanding of the smartwatch. We also have this charging cable, which has a USB type A interface on one end and the charging pins on the other. There are a couple of magnets on each side of the charging pins to keep it in place during charging. The length of this cable is approximately 60 centimeters long. Coming to the smartwatch, the display has a protective cover on it, and it also has indications about the singular multifunction button, which is on the right hand side. It says here that you can hold the button for 3 to 4 seconds to power on or shut it down. It can also be used to as a return button if you tap it once. And it says here that before using the watch for the first time, please charge it fully. Underneath that, we have the display, obviously, and we'll get to that later when we power it on. Oh, it's already on. We can see the watch face on it. The right hand side, as we mentioned earlier, has the multifunction button, and this can be used for different purposes. It can be used to switch the watch on or off, and it can also be used to shut the display off when not in use. The strap is rubberized and has a matte finish to it. Underneath the watch face, we have the heart rate monitor right in the middle, and we have the connectors for the charging. It is magnetic, so it can only be placed in a certain way. The straps can also be removed very easily to change the look, and that can be done with this little metal bit right on the side of the strap. The underside also has some Maxima branding, and it has some of the specifications about the heart rate sensor. We know that the smartwatch comes with an app, so let's see it in action with the app. We have installed the Maxima SW app and paired it with this smartwatch, so let's see that now. This is the home screen of the app. It is not displaying any information currently, but the more you use the watch, the more information will be displayed over here. For example, it gives you some information regarding the last workout and the amount of time that you spent during the workout, the average pace of walking, the calories burned, or the kilometers walked or run. It also gives you some information regarding the heart rate, your sleep, and your blood oxygen level. You can also set workouts, different types of workouts, for example, treadmill, outdoor running, outdoor cycling, and a plethora of others. You can also set the watch faces from the devices tab. The different watch faces will be available over here, and you can change things about the profile from the profile section. So this was the unboxing of the Maxima Max Pro X5 smartwatch. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.